how to combine photos together on iPhone. So there's a very interesting way to do this on your iPhone with an inbuilt app that iPhone already comes with. So you don't have to worry about downloading a third-party app. So what you want to do is scroll over until you find your app library, and you want to type in shortcuts, and you want to go to your shortcuts. So what we're going to do is add a new shortcut, and we're going to give it directions or a script so that it saves these photos to your gallery. So what you want to do is go to the plus sign at the top right-hand corner, and we're going to make a new shortcut. So I would highly advise to name your shortcut just so that you know what it's supposed to be. So I'm going to type in combine photo test just so that I know. Go ahead and hit the check mark. So from this point, we want to create a script so that the actions are correct, so that the photos are saved the way you want them to be saved. So go to your search actions, and I'm going to type in select photos. Go ahead and click that. There is a drop-down menu here, so we can go ahead and click that, and you want to make sure that you select multiple photos so that you can have more than one photo as an option. So your next thing that you want to do is be able to combine these images. So what we want to do is go back to the search bar down here and go ahead and type in combined images. So interesting enough with this, go ahead and click the horizontally option there, and you're going to have some options on the layout that you want. So I'm going to pick in a grid, and from there you want to be able to save the photos to your gallery. So go ahead right back down to the search actions, and we're going to type in save to photos, and it's perfectly fine for it to be saved to your recents. That means it'll be in the front of your camera roll in your photos. So from here, what we want to do is come back out here, and now you have your shortcut. So from this point forward, what we can do is go ahead and go into here and select your photos that you want to combine. So I'm just going to choose a couple photos here. Let's do this one and this one. Let's do this one and this one. Go ahead and hit your check. And as you see, it's giving you a check mark in the combined photo shortcut. So from this point, because it does it automatically, it should be able to be saved in your photos. So come out of your shortcut. Let's go down to our photos, and it should be there. Whoops. Come out of here. And there it is. These are the combined photos that we made on our shortcut. It's important to know that you'll be able to edit this combined photos. You can either add more, take some away, have a different layout. So you're not stuck with this decision. You can go back and change things if you want.